Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of DIY Squaredrop Camper Build. This is part 17. I want to give an update on why I haven't posted anything in like 7 or 8 months, as well as what's coming up next. So, in this video, the background is really just me cleaning up because, as you can see, things have just piled into the camper, around it, while we've just been busy with real life. My wife and I we've both been really busy. The holidays happened at the end of last year. Didn't get any chance to work on it. January came around, had guests for about almost a month over at our house. And honestly, it's just time got away from me and I didn't have any chance to work on it. And then, so when the spring started, I was very excited to get back at it. And then every weekend that we were here, it was wet. And we're doing fiberglass next. And you cannot have any wetness when you're doing your fiberglass. It needs to be pretty warm. And it doesn't really get super warm here where we live, so at least until summer starts. So I'm prepping now and cleaning up and getting everything out of the camper so that we can start fiberglassing. This is a little tour of the inside. If you haven't been with us for a while, you may not remember, but this is the inside where the mattress will go. The lights are in. Some lights are in. And there's also wires coming down. Some for the fan that's going in the middle up there. I didn't show the back end yet because I haven't taken the hatch off. So that's actually another unfortunate thing that happened is after coming back, I noticed that I lost all of the footage I have of the hatch build. It is not complete, so I will show what I have in the next video or the video after that, and continue to work on it because that's going to be like the last thing that needs to get done is that hatch. Because to me, it's the most difficult thing to get right. So as you can see, I've also just been piling stuff all over my workbench. So here's me just kind of getting everything organized so that we can prepare for epoxy. In the next video, you'll see an old coworker, a friend of mine I hadn't talked to in several years, and we reconnected, and he has done fiberglassing before on boats, and I was very happy because I've been trying to find someone to help me fiberglass for several months, unsuccessfully. So yeah, he'll be in the next video, and we're going to fiberglass the camper as well as the two doors. We are not doing the hatch yet because I still need to finish working on it, but we're going to get everything done, and then I'll probably do the hatch by myself because I will learn how to fiberglass while we're doing it on the camper. So I'm really excited to get that started because it's almost summertime. Well, the kids are out of school. Our kids are out of school in this week and next week, and so I really want to get this finished so that we can do some camping here in July or at the absolute latest beginning of August. So on the left side of my workbench here, you can see all my supplies for the epoxy. I've got the hardener and the resin and squeegees and tools, and I think I do a close-up of that here shortly. Here we go. So here's all the tools I have ready for the epoxying. It's going to be happening this coming Monday, Tuesday. I'm recording this on a Friday. This video is going to come out this weekend, so when you see this, you'll know that the epoxying is going to happen shortly. We're actually doing the epoxy. The first one is on my birthday, so I'm excited to do that. And so yeah, this was just me kind of getting everything all ready for the epoxy, cleaning up everything out of the garage, finding a place for all of my extra accessories that I have for the camper. Because when I started this, I bought everything because I wanted to just buy everything at once and not have to worry about a bunch of stuff that I'll need to get later on. So all the accessories for inside and out that go on at the end are all already purchased. So they're all going inside my tongue box here, which will be off to the side, and I'll be prepared once we do the fiberglass. Because after fiberglassing, it's going to be doors installed, windows in the doors, fan on the top, lights on the sides. Everything's going to be moving a lot more quickly. So I'm hoping to get this done within a month and a half of when this video airs. But we'll see. Life does get in the way, and we'll see what happens. So thanks so much for following along. Thanks for bearing with me. Like and subscribe because the new content is coming. So talk to you all later, and take care.